Page number 16, Unit 2, 2.3 Animals in the Air. Let's see what the scientist says about the animals in the air. Some animals spend a lot of time in the air. Birds fly through the air. Bats fly through the air. Butterflies fly through the air. Let's come to the page 17 and let's read about animal in the air. Animals that spend time in the air have bodies that help them get up and stay up in the air. Their bodies help them stay up in the air. They have wings to help them take off, fly, and land. Wings. Some air animals like birds have feathers to help them glide through the air. ये इनको हवा में उड़ने के लिए मदद देते हैं. They have beaks to help them pick up grains and seeds to eat. Look at the beak. Beak क्या करता है students? Yes, beak help them pick up seeds to eat. Wing क्या करते हैं students? Yes, wings help them take off, fly and land. Feathers मदद देते हैं. Feathers help them glide through the air. Now you will know about the animals and the air. Feathers do not only help birds to fly, they also keep birds warm and keep rain off them. Look at the feathers. Learning is fun. Do this task in your notebook. Question number 1. Name 4 air animals. Sparrow, butterfly, parrot and crow. Question number 2. Name the parts of an air animal's body that help it fly. Wing and feathers. Let's come to the page 18. Page number 18, Unit 2, Why animals move? Why animals move? Animals move to find food. And animals move to stop themselves becoming food. तो अब आप लोग को पता चल गया होगा कि एनिमल्स क्यों मूव करते हैं. Come to the page 19. Unit 2. Slow animals cannot move quickly, so they need something to keep them safe. The porcupine has sharp needles to stop other animals getting too close. ये दूसरे एनिमल से बचने के लिए अपने नीडल्स को इस्तेमाल करता है. This is snail. This snail has a hard shell to hide in. ये अपने स्नेल अपने आप को छुपाने के लिए हार्ड शेल को इस्तेमाल करता है. The fastest land animal. Cheetahs can run faster than a car. Wow! Cheetah can run faster than a car. Learning is fun. Complete these sentences. Number 1. Animals move to find dash. Animals move to find what? Yes, animals move to find food. Number 2. A snail has a hard dash to hide in. Snail has what? Yes, a snail has a hard shell. A snail has a hard shell to hide in. Number 3. The porcupine has sharp dash to stop other animals getting too close. The porcupine has sharp needles. Needles to stop other animals getting too close. Let's see what the scientist says here. Ouch! Today's lesson is never pick up a porcupine. साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं कि porcupine को उठाने और छूने को कोशिश ना करना, क्योंकि इसकी नीडल्स काफी शार्प होती हैं.